Hello crafty friends, welcome back to another tag video. Halloween again, so we stay on theme. I'm gonna use this fantastic stencil that coming from Timals. It's an old one, but I still use it quite a lot. It's called Shutter, but it could be glass or it could be a spider web. So that's what I'm gonna use it today for, as a spider web. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fix this stencil down with some washi tape and the tag as well. I'm using again one of my favorite one, that is the watercolor paper ones, and I'm gonna color it with Distress Oxide. I think I'm using Seedless Preserve. It's quite a nice purple color, so very good for Halloween. Well, it's quite pinkish actually. I'm gonna color it with using the fantastic new purchase that are those blending brush. I will put on the list below the link for where I found it. They're amazing. I really love them. So I'm gonna go all over the tag with very light hands. I'm not gonna go too strong, but I want kind of organic, so it's gonna be some places where there be more pressure and some place a lot more light. That's it. I think I like it. Okay, so let's see the result. Yeah, quite like it. And now I'm gonna use one of the stencil that come in the kit, and it's basically come with some words, some little tombstone, and two cute little spiders. I'm gonna use just the bigger ones over there in the center, and the color with the black Soot Distress Oxide ink. Now it's not quite long enough, the little angle thing, so I'm just gonna add a little bit like that. That's it. That will work. So next steps, I'm gonna color one of the cute design, Halloween design that come in the kit. They are created by my very own brother-in-law, Shane, that is very good. Is a very good artist and illustrator. So he's on the kit. He's been so kind to give some of his artwork to be added to the kit. So he will come out with a little memory stick with all his design. They're quite cute. This is one of them. I'm gonna very quick color them with the alcohol markers. I'm starting with the lighter color, and then I will go after that with the darker shades. I'm using yellow, orange, and a darker orange. I will put on the description below all the colors I'm using. And I'm not a great colorist, I always repeat that, and unfortunately it's true. So I will be very quick on this, and probably I'm gonna put some music while I'm color. So I'll talk to you soon. Now that I'm done coloring the spooky pumpkins, I'm just gonna fussy cut them with my craft scissors. I just cut it through the video, sorry. And now I'll look them on if they work with the background. I think they do. Adding a couple of more details in the eyes, and then I will see if it works with the sentiment as well. I'm using another die cut from the kit, and with the trick or treat sentence is I want to put it without covering this spider, so I think I'm just gonna cut off the word separately. So trick, and then or somewhere over there, and then treat. Yeah, I think it works better without covering the little spider. I might use, instead of the black die cut, I'm going to use the white die cut for treat. I will show you in a minute what I mean. I'm starting to glue the word trick, sorry. I'm using Glossy Accent. I work perfectly well for glue as well. I do use Glossy Accent for a lot of different things. It's very versatile. Sorry, there was a bit of excess that I get rid of with my finger. And now I'm gonna stick the rest of the sentiment with little dots. There we go. Okay, so for the word treat, I changed my mind. Instead of using the black one, I'm gonna use the white one, and then I'm gonna color it in a way so they can be colored like the candy corn. I think I showed you on the previous video. So I started with the yellow. To keep in place, I put a bit of washi tape again. There you go. Color first. Then after that, I'm just gonna go with another piece of washi tape a bit more lower, so just the bottom part will be exposed, and go with the orange. There we go. Now let's see the result. Yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna just cut it off the word treat and attach it to the pen. Oh, I'm gonna touch it first to give a bit more dimension and a bit of shadow, let's say. I'm gonna glue it together, but with the black a bit offside, so it will looks like it's got a bit of shadow, and that it will let him pop it more from the background. Pop up more, sorry. There you go, just a tiny bit offset. While it's still wet, we can do that. That's it. And now I'm gonna touch everything on the panel. Again with the little dot of glue just on the back of Glossy Accent. I should use some tweezers. And that's it. Now to attach the pumpkin, I'm gonna use some foam tape, just to a foam square, just to give it a bit more dimension. A little bit on the back like that, and a tiny piece over there. There you go. It's very simple card. I mean, it's a simple tag, but it could be made as a card, as I always say. There you go. I'm gonna give the eyes a bit more scary look, adding some white dot in it, so they're a bit more daunting like that, isn't it? And then with the same uniposca, I'm just gonna give some highlight to the word trick. I always do that on the black letters, usually. And that's it, and it's basically done. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it and my voice wasn't too boring. So I'll see you soon. Bye.